Hi, my name is Angie Warrington, and I moved to the Boise area in 2004 from Northern California. My husband was a firefighter in California for 20 years, and we were looking for a little change. I have been a licensed real estate agent in the Boise area for several years now. Like many people who moved to this area, we read all about the positive aspects about the area, like the slower pace of life, great things you can do outdoors with your family like water skiing, snow skiing, hiking, biking, camping, fishing, hunting, and so much more. One of the fun things we like to do in the summer is float the Boise River. On any given weekend, you'll find hundreds of people all floating the river from Barber Park to Ann Morrison Park. It's really fun and it's very relaxing. And depending how often you stop for a break, it can take anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours or more. Boise is like a small city that offers everything a large city does without the downsides of traffic, of living in a large city. And you'll enjoy great restaurants, theater, comedy shows with all the big names you can think of. And if you're a big sports fan, you'll enjoy watching BSU football and the Steelheads hockey team. We really love the weather here. It's not what most people typically think. Boise is what you call the Idaho banana belt. It snows pretty good in the mountains around the Boise Valley, but when it snows in Boise and the surrounding cities, it usually melts pretty fast. The valley usually gets more rain than snow in the winter. And in the summer, we're all in the 80s and 90s and even hit the hundreds several times a year. The schools are really good here, and our kids really have adapted well here, and they really like it. As young teenagers, the transition was a little tough at first. However, everyone eventually settled in, met new friends, and are happy we moved here. As for housing, depending on the city you decide to live in, you can purchase a really nice home in a really nice neighborhood for about $150,000 to $200,000. We chose to build our home in one of the outlying cities called Star, where we purchased an acre of land overlooking the entire valley, and we built our dream home, a 4,600 square foot home. And we have 2 large dogs, and they have a lot of room to play and run, and we just have a really nice yard to hang out in. Anyway, if you'd like more information about homes for sale in Boise, homes for sale in Eagle, or homes for sale in Meridian, homes for sale in Kuna, homes for sale in Nampa, homes for sale in Caldwell, homes for sale in Star, or homes for sale in the Garden Valley area, then please visit my website at www.boiseareahomesearch.com or call me, as I would love to help you find the home of your dreams. Bye for now.